In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to set a wallpaper on iPhone 17. Let's get started. First, navigate to your lock screen. Simply long press and hold until your phone enters wallpaper edit mode. From here, tap the plus icon to add a new wallpaper and choose from the available option. If this menu does not appear, you can navigate to Settings app, then scroll and head over to the option Wallpaper. Click on the option Add New Wallpaper. Once in this page, you're gonna find different options to add a wallpaper. You can use photos, people, photo shuffle, live photo, likewise other features according to your iOS version. From here, select any of the profile picture that you wanna set. I'm gonna select the emoji one. After selecting one, you can swipe between styles, customize widgets, reposition them, enlarge the clock, or change the font. Once you are done, click on the option Add and then Set as Wallpaper. Your new wallpaper is now active. So this is how you can easily add new wallpaper on iPhone 17. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.